Hey, what's up guys? It's Adrenaline here, back with another taste test video. Today I'm going to do another Lay's chips. It's going to be the new flavor of paprika and sweet onion. It's right here. It's red. They say it's a new flavor right here. You can see here. Paprika and sweet onion, and it's 170 grams. I'm going to taste it right now. Got the chip in here. Looks like this. That's pretty good. I'll have another one. It's in my usual two chip flavor. Yeah, pretty good. Tastes similar to the barbecue flavor. Or the which flavor I have reviewed before, but it was either ketchup or barbecue, somewhere on there. I'll give it an 8 out of 10 so far. So I bought that Shoppers Drug Mart, so it's pretty good. I think it's $3 Canadian, I think. So thanks for watching this short video. Hopefully you guys watch to the end. Like, comment, subscribe, really helps me a lot. And I'll catch you guys next time with another video, unboxing or whatever content I'll come up with.